Hey guys, today I'm back with my mixing series, and today I'll be mixing all of my green polishes for you. And as you can see, I'm just simply adding a few drops of each colour to the cup until I've gone through all of the colours that I own. I love green nail polishes, and I get really sad because there's a lot of big brands that don't tend to make green polishes, so when you see one in a drugstore I always have to grab it. I predict that the colour will be an almost camo green because of the amount of dark greens and olive greens. They tend to make more of them than like bright in your face lime greens and stuff, but they're the ones that I like. So mixing the colours together, and the colour is a real pea green. This was my favourite mix of the collection so far, and I'm actually excited to try and wear it on my own nails. And it was nowhere near what I was expecting. I imagined the colour way darker and a lot dirtier. Applied it to my nail, I did 2 coats, and as you can see the beautiful green shimmer is in the final application. A bit different to the other polishes, this one applied a bit better than the rest. Now, as I said last time, I was naming these polishes after the songs from the Guardians of the Galaxy soundtracks, and this polish is called Surrender after the Cheap Trick song. If you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up and leave a comment below, and subscribe would be good. And I'll see you tomorrow where I'll be mixing all of my blue polishes together. Thanks so much for watching, bye!